Perhaps nowhere in the world are there more chocolate bars, gummy bears, lollipops, and fruit chews in one place than this convention hall in Chicago.
In total, we have about 10 football fields worth of candy right here at McCormick Place in Chicago, Illinois.
Susan Whiteside is the spokesperson for the National Confectioners Association, which organizes the All Candy Expo each year. The expo provides candy makers with an opportunity to show off their new items and classic favorites, and gives retailers a chance to see what's available to stock their shelves in the coming year. Despite the global economic downturn and less money in most consumers' pockets, attendance at the expo this year is up, along with candy sales.
The candy industry is a very steady sales climate. So even when there are economic hardships, we still tend to see sales growth between 1% and 3%. For the 52-week sales period that ended April 19th, candy sales were up 3.7%. And that's pretty remarkable at a time when so many other industries are seeing declines.
Nestle, one of the world's largest food companies, is seeing modest sales increases. Tricia Bowles is the company's public relations manager.
Actually, sales are up a little over 2% right now, and that is actually good in the candy industry. So we're very pleased that in a tough economic time, we're able to keep pace and with some very new products.
Bowles says there are many different reasons why people continue to buy candy when they are buying fewer cars, houses, and TVs. Is price.
If you can imagine in down times when it comes to economic depressions, or in our case, a recession, there are some indulgent products that people just will not live without. It actually is one of the more affordable indulgences, and that is candy.
While that might sound like smart marketing from a candy producer hoping to keep sales up in a down economy, there is truth to the sales pitch, says Susan Whiteside.
It's not something that we need, but it doesn't cost very much. And when it makes us so happy, it's easy to justify spending $1 here or $2 there on a bar of your favorite chocolate, or a bag of gummy candies for your kids, or a stick of gum at the grocery store.
If the laws of physics apply to economics or candy sales, then what goes up must come down. While most candy makers and retailers don't know if or when candy sales might decline, Tricia Bowles admits no one has a recession-proof job.
I don't know that we can expect them to increase beyond what they're now pacing at. And the reason is they're already above what we expected and above last year. So we're quite pleased.
Add a little bit of white, swirl it around. If you want to put it in a bag, you can do that.
With more than 3,000 new candy products entering the market this year, the toughest choice for consumers may not be how to pay for it, but rather what to spend their money on. Kane, Farabaugh, VOA News, Chicago, Illinois.